my channel, Shayspectrum. Today we are going to be getting into some makeup. Y'all have seen me dropping some of these makeup videos lately. This is something that I'm gonna continue to do for you guys. Y'all can see that my hair is done, but not all the way. I'm gonna show y'all the complete look at the end. If you are new here, welcome. Make sure that you comment, like, and subscribe by the time that you leave this video. And if you are a returning subscriber, hey family, I hope that y'all have had a great week. I hope that y'all makeup has been flawless, y'all hair has been flawless. Make sure that all of you drop me down comments below and let me know how you're feeling about the content, what you want to see, what are you enjoying, and just let me know. Just say hey, just stop by. Today I'm going to be doing a mix of a look. Y'all know I have some products that I love using for my makeup, and I probably use them until I get some more. I just love these. So I'm gonna start off by first getting into those things, and then we will start applying some of the products. So the palette that I'm going to be using today, one of them is the Juvia's Nubian 2 palette. Love this palette. It has some very nice natural colors in here that really go really well with my skin, and so I really love using a lot of these colors and this product in general. Additionally, I'm going to be using an older palette that I have. It's from Ulta. I honestly don't remember where I picked this up, but this is something like the color scheme of it. As I use this product, I will let y'all know what shades I am dabbing into. I also have another one, y'all, it does not have a name. I don't even know where I picked it up from or when I even got this. I think it was actually gifted to me, but it has a bunch of the glitters that y'all will see me using. And so I'll just kind of tell y'all kind of what colors I'm dipping into and show y'all what they look like, and y'all can best match those on your end. For foundation today, I'm gonna be using the Milani Conceal Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. I love this foundation, and I'm in the shade Amber. So if y'all want to match your skin to that, here's like a view of what Amber is kind of like, looks like. I feel like that one matches my skin the best. And then for my concealers, I'm gonna be using a mix of the Maybelline Age Will Wine concealer in the shade Door Golden. I'm pretty much going to be using this when it comes to my eyelids, just neutralizing them a bit after I add my primer. This one does not, like, it's so bright. It looks ashy whenever I use it, like, actually on my skin. So instead, I'm going to be using the LA Pro Girl Concealer in the shade Fawn. And I love this concealer to actually like do some highlight with. It's very close to my skin, so I don't highlight too light. And then I'm gonna be using the shade Chestnut of the same brand concealer for a quick little contour. I don't go crazy with it, so y'all will see how much I actually apply. Additionally, I'm gonna be using the Rimmel London Stay Matte primer. Love this. It has like this gluey texture that I love, and it just gets really sticky, but also it holds your foundation on, and it doesn't get sticky where it's like transferring. Like, it holds in place really good and seals like those pores. So I really love this product. And then I have some brushes from Morphe. I'll call these out as I use them. And then my random BS Small Face Flat Angle Brush, which I'll use this for my foundation. One other product that I have also is the Black Opal Setting Powder. I've not used this before, but I'm gonna try it. I actually used it like way back in the day. I haven't used it recently, and it used to make me really dry, so I'll be interested to see what it looks like now. But this is in the shade Neutral Light. And lastly, my mascara will be the Voluminous in L'Oreal brand shade Blackest Black, okay? So let's get into applying primer on my base. I did already go and apply my moisturizer. I don't have them on the table, but I've done this in video before, so I can go ahead and link that video down below so that y'all can see how I kind of applied as well as did my eyebrows. I typically do that off screen because brows are just tricky and they take time to do, and sometimes it takes too much time to even like actually record it and edit it into the videos. So I did this off screen. I do plan on doing a more in detail just brow video because it can literally take over 15 minutes, which is the max that I try to keep my videos to. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the Stay Matte Rimmel London primer to my eyelid as a base. Y'all know I do one eyebrow or one eyelid pretty much on screen, and then I'll jump off and do the other one so that we can save time and actually get a final look. So this is just gonna help neutralize my lid and get it primed and ready for eyeshadow application. See, there's such a significant difference. This is like more oily, where this one is like all mattified and like ready and translucent enough to start taking eyeshadow. So I'm gonna go in with my Morphe M441 brush. I love using this to just basically add an area of transition, using of course my favorite color Morocco in the Nubian 2 palette. This is one of my best transition colors, and I really like it. I'm actually gonna mix it with the Madagascar just to get like that brown transition in there as well for this look today. I do have a mirror right here, so I'm gonna do my best to show y'all on camera. Actually, I'm gonna zoom y'all in. Y'all, the trick in eyeshadow is blend, 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 okay? Just make sure that y'all keep on blending. Okay, so after doing the soft blend, I'm then gonna go in with my Morphe 514 brush. This is gonna be my outer corner inner crease color that I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna dab today for my inner crease into the shade Milk Chocolate. This is in the Ulta palette that I was telling you guys about. I believe I got this as a gift like last Christmas or 2 Christmases ago. And I'm just gonna pop this into the corner. Y'all can see that color already showing up. And then I'm just gonna blend it inward. Okay guys, after that I'm gonna go back into the Morocco and Madagascar color just to pop back into my transition area. Okay friends, after that I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline concealer, and I'm just gonna pop this right on my crease. I'm not gonna do a super tight cut crease, I'm just gonna do a little bit. I'm just gonna pat that down on my lid using the Morphe M224 brush. Okay guys, after doing that, I'm gonna pop into this like rose gold looking color right here. Again, I don't know the name of this palette, let alone the colors that are listed in here. And so I'm just showing y'all so that y'all have a reference on what color to use. It's really pretty. Let's see if I can get y'all to see that. It's super pretty. So I'm just gonna pop that right on the lid where I applied the concealer. Y'all can't really see, but it looks so good. It's almost like a red pink color. And I'm actually gonna mix that color with this redder color up here, just to give it some more pop. Okay, so after applying that color to my lid, I'm gonna go back into the Ulta palette, into the shade Milk Chocolate, and just deepen that crease around there again. I'm then gonna go back into my transition colors. And this is to just blend it all together. Okay guys, so I did get a little fallout of glitter like right in this area. I'm gonna wipe that off, but also I'm gonna go and do this other side, so I'll be back once I do this side to go ahead and put on foundation, so stay tuned. Okay friends, now that I went off screen and did my other eyelid, we can get into foundation. Again, I'm gonna be using the Milani foundation. Again, I already primed my skin using the Rimmel London Stay Matte primer. Love this primer. So I'm just gonna put this on my skin. So let's see if this pump works today. Y'all, this pump be failing me. Okay, so let me just get some out of here. I know this is not the most sanitary thing, but I'm the only one using this product, so no worries for anybody that's like super germaphobe. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of it and just apply it on my cheek and under eye area. I don't apply a lot under my under eyes just because I know I'm going to do concealer under there, so I don't pack it on too tight under there just to eliminate like any kind of creasing. So now that I've applied that, I'm gonna use my flat angle brush and just begin pushing that product into the skin. Again, I don't swipe. I like to really push it in more just to make sure that the foundation applies smoothly, but also that there's no lines in my foundation. Of this to my neck area, and it's just a little bit. Okay guys, now that that has been applied, I'm gonna go in with my LA Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. I'm gonna be using this underneath my eyes as a highlight. This one is more like my skin color, and so it doesn't give me like a super highlight, but it does hide those hyperpigmentation areas that I have underneath my eyes and kind of around my mouth area. And then I'm going to go in for my contour with the LA Pro Concealer in the shade Chestnut. And I'm just going to carve out my cheeks just a little bit, not too much. Okay, so to blend out this concealer, I'm going to be using this little small angled sponge. Y'all know I like using this. I told y'all that it's like the Equate brand. And sometimes I wet it, sometimes I don't. Today I'm not really worried about wetting it, and so I'm just gonna start blending out that concealer. Many of you also know that right after blending my concealer, I go in with the finishing powder. I'm gonna be using the Black Opal one today. I don't know how this is gonna work, but we're gonna try it. I had issues with this in the past, but I decided to bring it out for today's tutorial, and so we're gonna see how it goes. So I'm gonna again use another sponge, dab in there pretty quickly, and just go right underneath my eyes. Y'all know I don't bake, so I'm gonna go and quickly brush that off. Y'all, it actually doesn't look as drying. I think this is the setting powder that taught me that I could not bake. And so I think because I didn't bake that it actually looks really good underneath my eyes, and it doesn't look super drying either. So that's always great. I'm gonna take the same brush and blend out my contour. I'm rich.
I'm rich.
Okay guys, so y'all know that I do set around my lip just because I do get smile lines. So I'm gonna go ahead and set that area.
I'm rich.
And y'all, typically I set this for a long period of time. I'm a little scared, so I'm actually not gonna set this the whole time. I'm just gonna go ahead and dust it off.
My body rich, smelling like Versace rich. Busy and Beyonce rich. I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich.
Now that I've dusted off all of the setting powder, I'm gonna go in with my NYX finishing spray and just set the face for now.
Diamonds on my body rich, smelling like Versace rich.
After that, I'm gonna go and use my L'Oreal mascara. Y'all know I don't use falsies. I haven't got into it yet. Maybe I'll try it for y'all. But my eyelashes have always been like pretty lengthy. Of course, they're not as long as the look for lashes is right now, but I love just using my own and making them a little bit better with some mascara.
Beyonce rich, I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm rich.
Okay, lastly guys, I'm gonna go in with the inner corner highlight and then follow up with my cheek highlight. I'm gonna be using the Morphe M431 brush. I love using this. Today I'm gonna pop into a fun color. I think I'm gonna use that red color that I used on top of my lid, but I'm just gonna use this color, so it may pop a lot more than what it looks like right now.
Like Versace rich, Jay-Z and Beyonce rich. I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich.
For highlight today, I'm gonna be using the Milani highlighter, my favorite one, in the color Strobe Light.
Say rich, I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich.
For lips today, I'm gonna be using the matte color Flat Out Fabulous. This is one of my favorite pinks from MAC. And right on top of that, I'm gonna use this Russian Red by MAC just to intensify the color. Okay guys, I'll be back with y'all in a moment with the final look of this makeup tutorial today. Alright guys, that is the end of this video. This is the final look of the makeup look that I just did. Y'all, it's so cute, right? And y'all know that I'm not a pro. I tell y'all this all the time. I am experimenting as well as y'all. I am learning with y'all. So any tricks that y'all have, make sure that y'all drop them down in the comments below and let me know so that we can grow in this makeup world together, okay? Y'all, it came out really good and highlight is beating everybody up, okay? She is real light, but I like it. This look came out so cute and it's drugstore friendly. I don't think I used any real high retail brands. I probably did. I don't think I did actually. But y'all, the makeup look came out so flawless and it is holding. And so yeah, so make sure that y'all try this out. Let me know if you do try it out, what it looks like. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Make sure that you comment, like, and subscribe, and share, and hit the bell icon. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.